Welcome to Excel Tips and tip number 37. And today we're going to show you something which a lot of you no doubt will say we'll never use and probably won't. But it is actually a pretty powerful function if you do require to use it, and that function is indirect. Now typically when you reference in Excel, you do a direct reference. So for example, here I'll say I want to get the revenue number, I'll say equals, click the revenue number, job done. Most simple and straightforward way to reference in Excel. However, if you have a lot of scenarios going along, or for whatever reason you can't do a direct reference, or you've got some other material which would be useful in getting to the reference, you can do something called an indirect reference. And for that, you type indirect, and you can see right here what I've gone is it's got refer text. So we've got refer to here, it's saying B1, so we're going to click in that, and it says, right, indirect B11. And what it actually does is it reads the text in B11 and returns the reference for it. So you can see it comes up as 1500. If I actually highlight this, I don't know if this is going to work. Yeah, there you go. Text is B1. So it actually says, well, what's the text, and we'll refer to it that way. Now, as I said, a lot of you will be saying, I'll never use this in my life, and a lot of you won't. But the situations where it can come in handy, and the main one is going to be a scenario where you change a switch and you actually need to refer to somewhere else. And by changing that switch, values might change in a cell or something like that, and you can actually use an indirect reference to change maybe the sheet that you're looking at, or the cell that you're going to go to, or even the workbook that you're going to go to. And that's what the real power of indirect referencing is. And it does also work with named ranges as well as just direct ranges like you've seen here. So a very powerful function, probably not that commonly used or commonly known about, but you'd be surprised on how often you might want to use that.